Hey, I'm just leaving the gym. This is week number 2 and I'm still doing it. Anyway, I wanted to quickly answer a question. One young lady asked, how do I not take it personally if a person cheated on me? And yeah, how do you not take that personally? I've been in that situation before. Of course, who hasn't been in that situation? Or I could be overgeneralizing, I don't know. But one thing that I recognize is that when someone cheats on you, it really isn't always all about you. Oftentimes, if you are in a relationship and you two have said that you're going to be exclusive, and then one of the partners decides to step out and do something else, then that often has something to do with that person who stepped out to do something else. Now, I'm not saying that, situations don't take two, but, I know with one of my situations that I had, the person didn't know how to love themselves. So if you don't know how to love yourself, how you gonna love me? You know what I'm saying? So sometimes we're not really honest with ourselves with the relationships that we're really in, and we're not really seeing them for what they really are. But this could be all over the place because I'm sure there are many different reasons. So I would probably have to talk to you one-on-one, or maybe when I'm doing a live, you can come in and ask the questions. And oftentimes I look at things intuitively to see what's the situation. So maybe we could do that as well. But you know who you are, who asked the question. If you want me to dig deep and really figure out what happened, we can do that. But one thing I want you to remember is that you don't have to be second best. You don't have to be somebody's, second choice. If somebody is for you, they will be for you, even if they leave. If someone leaves and they're supposed to be your divine partner in this lifetime, then they will come back. Now, I just feel like, let the birdie go. If the birdie's supposed to come back, let the birdie come back. But in the meantime, you have to work on healing and releasing and letting go and releasing the ties that bound you two together so that you can heal and so that your mate could heal, so that if it is for you to be together, that could possibly happen. So we probably need to have another chat about this scenario, or a live chat about this scenario, so we can really dig deep and get you the healing that you deserve and that you probably desire, so that you can effectively move on from the relationship. Alrighty. Let me go on home and get cleaned up from this lovely gym experience from today.